Hello, in front of me I've got Nikon Z30. In this video I'll show you how to install lens on this camera. In order to install lens on your camera, firstly remove the lens cover. Now, take a look at your lens. Here we've got the pins and we've got gaps on the sides. We have to aim the lens to insert it inside the gaps. It has to fully enter the gaps. Now, twist it until you hear the sound prompt, and it's done. Lens is now attached. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.